Banana nut bread traces its origins back to the Great Depression. The recipe came about as a solution to how to use overripe bananas that would otherwise go to waste. Over the years, banana nut bread has evolved into a timeless classic, so get ready to bake some delicious banana nut bread. This is Maddie. They're a second-year culinary student at Cerritos College, and today they're going to teach us how to make banana bread. These will be some of the many ingredients needed for later. These will be the ingredients and tools you will need. Step 1. Dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. 2 cups of flour. And the second cup. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Step 2. Wet ingredients: butter and brown sugar. One-half cups softened butter. 3/4 cups brown sugar. Mix at high speed until smooth and creamy. Add 2 eggs. Continue mixing wet ingredients. Additional wet ingredients: yogurt, bananas, pure vanilla extract. 1 banana. 2 cups of mashed bananas. One teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1/3 cup yogurt or sour cream. Continue mixing wet ingredients. Step 3. Combined ingredients. Slowly stir and add dry ingredients into the bowl. Step 4. Prepare a baking pan on non-stick or spray butter onto it. Step 5. Pour into pan. Spread batter throughout. Bake at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. Cool for 1 hour. Enjoy!